Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Cherry Stream wireless keyboard. Product link is in the description below. This keyboard is designed for professionals, students, and everyday users who want slim design, quiet keystrokes, and ergonomic comfort in one reliable package. The design is sleek and minimalist, finished in black with a slim profile that saves desk space while still offering a full-size QWERTY layout with number pad. The thin build makes it easy to integrate into modern workstations, while the ergonomic form factor promotes natural typing posture. Cherry engineered this keyboard to balance elegance with practicality, making it suitable for home offices, corporate setups, and study environments. Performance is where the Stream Wireless shines. Featuring Cherry's SX scissors mechanism, the keys deliver precise, quiet keystrokes with a laptop-like feel. This makes typing comfortable and efficient, reducing fatigue during long sessions. The responsive keys ensure accuracy for documents, emails, and creative projects, while the quiet operation minimizes distractions in shared spaces. Combined with Cherry's build quality, the keyboard provides consistent performance across tasks. Connectivity and usability are highlights. The keyboard supports wireless operation via 2.4 GHz connection, ensuring stable performance without lag. Plug-and-play functionality makes setup simple, with no drivers required. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power, reducing the need for disposable batteries. Onboard indicators keep users informed about battery and connection status, while the lightweight design makes it easy to reposition or carry between workspaces. Durability and convenience stand out. Cherry designed this keyboard with robust materials for long-term reliability. The slim yet full-size layout ensures productivity without compromise, while the quiet keystrokes make it ideal for professional environments. Its combination of ergonomic comfort, slim design, and reliable wireless performance makes it a dependable solution for everyday use. Use cases are broad. For office workers, it improves typing comfort and efficiency. For students, it supports long study sessions with reduced strain. For professionals, it enhances workflow with quiet precision. For casual users, it provides a reliable and stylish typing experience. In summary, the Cherry Stream wireless keyboard combines slim design, ergonomic comfort, and quiet keystrokes in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.